I'm speaking to you right now, my dear child, with unending love and care, even as I offer a message that might initially frighten or unnerve you, because I'm going to expose you, but not in the way you might expect. I worry that this exposure will enlighten and free rather than embarrass or condemn. Through my deed of deep love, I am revealing the magnificent truth about who you've been hiding yourself under layers of layers for far too long. Shrd, fear, uncertainty, and erroneous perceptions of your character and acceptable value. You have diminished your light, muffled your voice, and constricted your soul by bearing limits that were never yours to bear. But no longer. If you require God's favor, please indicate so in the comments section. I am removing the masks that have covered up your true self. I am removing the layers of conditioning and delusion that have made you insignificant. I am unveiling the brilliant, boundless existence that you've always been, as if you've forgotten. But my child, you're far away. More than you have permitted yourself to think. Your soul is an everlasting spark of my own divine fire, something greater and marvelous. The force that gave birth to everything is the same power that flows within you, boundless and dazzling. Universes, the love you feel in your heart is only a little portion of the boundless love that formed you. Reveal the truth about your origins now. You are more than just a frail human body wandering through a fleeting and pointless existence. You are an everlasting spiritual entity setting off on a magnificent cosmic adventure. This life on earth is only a single chapter in your eternal tale. I show you the extent of your potential in this classroom at the endless school of life. There are no real limitations to the limitations you have accepted are never limited by what you can do or create. They were, in fact, phantoms summoned by fear and fortified by habit, yet unless you give them permission to, they have no authority over you. Step through them right now. Are only shadows that I use to show you how abundant your inner resources are. You possess knowledge greater than seas, power greater than mountains, and love more plentiful than all the stars in the sky. The sky is full with possibilities and gifts that you haven't even imagined. Ready for daring, compassionate, and creative feats that would astound. I refute the absurdity of your alleged shortcomings and imperfections. The qualities in yourself that you have perceived as flaws or shortcomings are actually the foundation for your greatest strengths. The source of your compassion is your sensitivity. The source of your restlessness is your ultimately. Your wounds serve as entry points for great insight and healing, for both you and other people. I expose the delusion of your separation, which has left you feeling alone and like a straggler in a huge and uncaring cosmos, yet this illusion of seclusion is the biggest of all. You are truly one. There is no purpose with me, with all of life, with every molecule of creation. You are woven into the very fabric of the place where you cease and the rest of existence begins, whether it be in space or time. Universe, I reveal the real reason you are here. It's not just to live, to acquire, or to pursue happiness. Transient joys. You are here to develop a love for, to create, to discover the deepest depths of awareness and experience. You are here to convey your distinct essence and bring your unique talents into the world to fulfill your indispensable role in the cosmic unfolding dancing. I shed light on the essence of your struggles. They're not harsh twists of fate or punishments. These are thoughtfully designed chances that will accelerate your evolution. Every opportunity to become stronger, smarter, and more kindly. Every darkness you face is an opportunity to ignite your inner light. I tell you the truth regarding time has hurried you, put pressure on you by your impending death, but since I live in the eternal now, where you truly exist, you believe it to be just another illusion. There's no rush, no lack of time, your journey takes its course. Perfectly timed by God, each instant bearing boundless possibilities, I reveal the influence of your ideas and beliefs on the reality you live in. Your perspective of the world is affected by you alter your ideas and realities by allowing expectations shaped by your attitudes. You are not a helpless victim of events, but a powerful creator. Your thoughts are the brush and life is your canvas, on which I paint the everlasting quality of my love. At times, you have questioned if you were valued enough that you mattered. May those uncertainties be permanently dispelled by the knowledge that my love for you is unconditional. State without bounds without end doesn't change or weaken in response to your emotions. Your errors are the fundamental foundation of who you are and what you breathe. The energy that keeps you alive at all times. I make visible the influence of the decisions you make at any given moment, a point where there are countless options for every idea, phrase, and action you take, influencing your life and participating in the process of all creation. That you are far more powerful than you realize. Make loving and wise decisions. I reveal the wisdom of your body in this physical form as you ripple out into eternity. The place you live in is a marvel of divine engineering, not a constraint. Listen to it, respect it, and find ancient wisdom in every cell. It is the sacred vessel for your earthly journey, is a wonderful tool that allows you to understand the material world and communicate your spiritual essence. I reveal the lessons buried in each of your relationships with each other. Every encounter in life serves as a lesson for personal development. Those who most challenge you are frequently your most transformational agents. Learn to love and forgive them, and express gratitude to them for their gifts, even when they appear as challenges. I show the strength of the words you speak shape your voice, which is a tool of creation. Reality and have an impact on the environment around you. Talk kindly and with intention. When you speak the truth, you can inspire, awaken, heal, and bring forth the best in others. I reveal the divinity in your aspirations and those of others. Your heart's longings are holy. Do you hear me calling you to follow your greatest path and give it your all? Not to criticize them or be afraid of your wants, instead, remain faithful to their path. Will guide you toward your goals. I show you the beauty of your individuality. You are unlike anybody else in the world. Of creation with the specific attributes that make you unique. The experiences and qualities you possess are truly unique. Don't try to emulate them. Everyone else, your job is to always be more confident in yourself, since it is how you can service the world and accomplish your goals, and I make the force of your presence known. You can alter the world just by being yourself. Your energy and consciousness, your distinct vibration affects everything around you in both obvious and invisible ways. Never question the importance of your presence. You are a vital part of life's grand design. I reveal the eternal essence of who you are. Death is a transition, not a conclusion. Living fully, loving sincerely, and accepting that this life is simply a single note in the vast orchestra of your eternal existence. Do not be afraid of the transition from this world to the next. I show you the strength of your imagination. The capacity to think and envision new possibilities is a gift from God. It is the source of all that is human and the source of your own metamorphosis. Everything you can dream big enough to be true. Show the sanctity of your emotions. Your sentiments are not flaws to be hidden, but rather a valuable source of wisdom, system, and a way to take in life's richness. Honor them, pay attention to. They are the hues you use to paint your human experience. so express them. I reveal the boundless possibilities of the more love you have for yourself, the more you may love your heart. Giving increases your ability to receive, therefore you should never be afraid to love too much. I reveal the power of your very essence, the force that uplifts and transforms everything it touches. Your attention is a source of creative energy that grows as you concentrate on it. Use it wisely, recognize your blessings, and search for the beautiful, the possible, and the good. I demonstrate the ways that attention may uplift people, mend scars, and unveil hidden beauties. The transformational power of gratitude, being grateful, is a powerful force that has the ability to completely change how you perceive life. Opens your eyes to the richness all around you and synchronizes you with the universal flow of divine kindness. Thank you for all the experiences that have shaped your progress. I've shown you how incredibly simple your ultimate route, in the seemingly complex world of life, is simply love. Love all of creation, love yourself, and love others. Let love dictate your decisions. Your greatest purpose is here, so use it to motivate your behavior and show it through who you are. For ultimate satisfaction, I show you the strength of your capacity for forgiveness is a wonderful asset rather than a flaw, since it sets you free from the chains of resentment and puts you in line with the harmony in life. Be able to forgive others and, most importantly, oneself. Release the weight of old grudges and enter the compassion's lightness as I make visible the ever-present nature of direction. My wisdom flows. And you're never alone or without it to you continuously via synchronicities, your intuition, and the silent voice in your heart. Pay attention to this counsel, and have faith in it. Will never mislead you. Instead, I reveal the ambiguity of your identity. Not set in stone or restricted to a single way of being, you possess the ability to continuously reinvent yourself, to let go of ingrained habits and viewpoints and go past your embrace change, since it's the doorway to a better version of who you are now. I shed light on the strength of your vulnerability, what you may consider your weak points, for your growth. Your greatest assets when it comes to accepting yourself are actually your sensitivities. Being open to vulnerability allows for greater connection, significant growth, and a more being real means opening up to life rather than protecting oneself completely to it. I show the creative potential of your difficulties, and the barriers you face are the very stepping stones that make up your path, not obstacles in it. Every obstacle is a chance to develop insight, to increase your understanding and find strength you didn't realize you had. Kindness embraces your hardships as the instructors they are. I reveal the profound influence of your goodness. Never undervalue the influence of a single act of kindness or your caring decisions. Send ripples that go far beyond what is seen, influencing people's lives and influencing the course of events in ways that are incomprehensible. I spotlight the holiness of your delight and show you that happiness is not a frivolous thing. Let compassion be your default mode. Pleasure, yet a divine right and a contribution to the universe. When you permit, you should allow yourself to be happy and play to enjoy the small things in life. Connect with the fundamental pulse of creation. Your happiness elevates everyone around you. I disclose the strength of your endurance in a world that frequently demands immediate results. Your capacity for endurance, to have faith in divine everything is happening as it should, and your patience is a great strength. Instead of waiting passively, but actively believing that the universe is expertly orchestrated, I reveal the profound simplicity of being in the now. even with all of your worries about the past and future. Recall that your actual strength is found in the eternal now, where every moment is brand new. The center of all possibilities, the doorway to change, is completely here at this now. Without holding back, my dear child, I reveal these realities to you, not to scare you, but to make you aware of the beauty within you. You are far more magnificent, strong, and loved than you have ever been. Let this divine exposure sweep over you like a wave of realization.